Hey guys, it is Josh here, and today, me and Ryan are going to do a 3x3 relay.
You can check this video out on both of our channels. It's gonna be the same video on 2 channels. We will collaborate sometimes.
Yep.
I could do Rubik's Cubes. You know, guys, I have a gaming channel. I finally uploaded my first Minecraft video on the channel for you guys. I'm happy that happened.
But anyway, let's get to this. We both mix each other's cubes up. Let's get started.
So, wait a second.
Wait. What am I even doing anymore? I'm just messing with this stuff. Wait. Gotta mix up the cubes. Gotta mix up the cubes.
What are you typing on the screen?
I'm not typing anything. Mixing up the cubes. Mixing up the cubes.
I'm done with my mix-up.
Me too.
Let's get rid of all this text. Wow. Okay. Are you done?
Yeah.
Did you make mine easy?
I don't know.
Okay, let's do this.
And I'm still inspecting. 3, 2, 1, start.
Oh
my gosh, I just dropped it.
Wow. Come on. Yes! Oh no! There we go. Oh no. Oh, I don't know what to do here. Yes!
Wait, you're already on the corners?
Yeah.
Oh no. I'm done with the first layer. Oh my gosh.
First layer. Aw, come on. Really? I'm done with the first layer as well.
I'm getting ahead of you. You need to hurry. Speed cube. You have to get out your speed cube mode because I'm done with the second layer. So
I don't know how I did that. Bam. Okay. What's next? You bring this over here. There we go. Yes. Come on. Let's do this. They might barely not even hear us because that cam is.
Yeah, I know. That's why we need to act like we're shouting, but we're not.
Yeah. Oh my.
Whoa.
What happened?
I messed up. What do you think? Now you have to start from the first layer. Oh.
Yes. Yes.
What?
I got this. I'm on the feet.
It's done.
End of video now.
Why?
Never mind. I'm gonna solve my cube. Look, you can see my turning.
Yeah. Wait, let's see if I can then solve. Where is the pyramid? The pyramid is over there.
Before I solve this cube.
Yeah. I haven't even mixed it up yet. Okay, it's mixed up. It's mixed up. Whoa.
Oh, I can't switch the corners. I don't want to cheat.
Done. Yeah.
Come on, really? Aww. You beat me. There we go, guys. My cube is solved.
Now wait. Before we end the video.
What are you doing?
Here you go.
2x2 solve.
2x2 and Pyraminx, and I get 3x3 and 3x3.
Okay.
Ow.
Let's mix each other's up. I have to mix up 2 3x3s. Why is this a thing right now? Come on. Make sure to successfully mix this up. There's like no things. Okay, this one's mixed up. Now this. Sorry guys, this might be incredibly boring. But we're trying to do our best. Also, that was really weird I did there. Okay, that was weird.
Mine is finished.
Mine's finishable. These 3x3s out of here. I'm gonna do the 2x2 first.
I'm doing the 3x3 first. Or the Rubik's 3x3 first.
Yeah, that's how you.
Inspection time!
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, start.
Oh, I'm stuck already. Wow. That's orange, so anything that has white orange. What orange? Orange, green. Orange, green, yellow. What?
Just so you know, I'm already done with the first level.
Wait, I'm getting confused.
I made a very confusing mix-up here.
Oh! I'm making progress! Yes! Oh my! Okay. I forgot to do this. Oh no. I forgot to do this. That's correct and no, that's correct. Oh no.
I'm almost on the first 3x3. I'm done with the first 3x3. Oh, go, 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 go.
I don't even know what I'm doing wrong here. I can't solve this 2x2 for some reason. It's in solving condition! Oh! Guys, I know how to solve a 2x2.
Well, after that, you better do Pyraminx pretty fast, man.
I'm never gonna do Pyraminx as fast as you do it. Oh! Oh, I'm never going to do this.
Believe in yourself!
Go! Go! Oh no! Bleh. That's correct. There we go. There we go.
Ah, oh my gosh. One more corner. Go, corner. Finish up. Done. Just solve the Pyraminx to end out the video.
Okay, I guess. So it needs to look like this. Do I have to do it again?
Yeah.
There we go, guys. He beat me.
With 3x3s.
I'm so bad. Now, before this video gets too long, we should do the outro.
Ryan, you do your outro first.
I think that's how you say it. Spell it. Anyway, guys, hope you like, comment. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe on my channel, and bye.
That was a 3x3.
Josh, quickly, the video's gonna end
thing.
in like 7 seconds.
And bye. How do you end? Bye.